Thank you for joining us to explore the fascinating process of date palm cultivation. Today, we will delve into this ancient practice that plays a crucial role in many regions of the world, especially in the Middle East, North Africa, and parts of Asia. Dates are not only a vital food source but also hold great cultural and economic importance in these regions. The production and export of dates have a significant impact, and with global demand rising, the way they are cultivated and harvested has evolved thanks to modern technologies. Date palm cultivation starts with a crucial choice: whether to use seeds or offshoots. Offshoots, which are young shoots taken from a mature date palm, are preferred because they ensure the preservation of the parent tree's genetic traits. Unlike seeds, which can result in trees with varied characteristics, offshoots maintain consistency in the crop's traits, ensuring better disease resistance and more uniform fruit quality. This method guarantees that the next generation of date palms will have the same desirable qualities as the parent tree. Once the offshoots are selected, it's time to prepare the soil. The ideal soil for date palms is sandy loam, which provides both good drainage and essential nutrients for root development. This type of soil ensures that the roots can grow freely without the risk of water stagnation, which could lead to root rot. Proper soil management is crucial for ensuring the health of the trees and the quality of the fruit. Date palms require soil that allows them to grow tall and strong, which is essential for producing high-quality dates. Date palms thrive in hot, dry climates with plenty of sunshine. The ideal temperature range for their growth is between 25 degrees Celsius and 40 degrees Celsius, or 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. These conditions are essential for optimal growth. However, irrigation is just as important, especially in the early years of growth. While date palms are resilient to heat, they still require a consistent water supply during periods of intense heat. To meet this need, many farmers use drip irrigation systems, which provide a steady water supply while minimizing waste. Pollination is a key step in the fruiting process of date palms. In nature, insects like bees transfer pollen from male flowers to female flowers. However, in commercial farming, to ensure a high yield, farmers often resort to manual pollination. They collect pollen from male flowers and carefully apply it to female flowers. This process increases the chances of successful fertilization and ensures a bountiful harvest. Without this step, the chances of obtaining high-quality dates would be significantly reduced. Traditionally, harvesting dates was a labor-intensive task that involved climbing tall palm trees to pick the fruit by hand. But today, a major innovation in date harvesting is the use of mechanical shakers. These machines gently shake the trees to make the dates fall without damaging the fruit or the tree. This technology has revolutionized the harvesting process, making it much more efficient and reducing the need for manual labor. This innovation allows for a faster and less physically demanding harvest, which is a huge improvement over the old methods. After harvesting, the dates are transported to processing facilities where they go through several stages of cleaning, sorting, and packaging. The cleaning process involves washing the dates to remove any dust or residues that might remain on the fruit. Once cleaned, the dates are sorted by size, color, and quality. The high-quality dates are then packaged using modern packaging machines, ensuring they are stored in optimal conditions. Packaging typically involves vacuum sealing or using modified atmosphere packaging to extend the shelf life of the dates. This is particularly important for export markets, where the dates need to remain fresh during transport. In 2023, global date exports reached new heights, with countries like Egypt, Saudi Arabia, and Iran leading the market. Egypt, for example, exported over 200,000 tons of dates, generating significant revenue for the country. Saudi Arabia and Iran followed closely, each exporting around 150,000 tons. These figures highlight the global significance of date cultivation and the increasing demand for this sweet and nutritious fruit. As global consumption of dates rises, these countries have positioned themselves as key players in meeting the world's growing appetite for dates. One of the major challenges facing date farming is the need for skilled labor. While mechanical shakers and other technologies have reduced the reliance on manual labor, there is still a need for skilled workers to operate the machines and effectively manage the farms. Governments and agricultural organizations are investing in training and capacity building programs to meet this demand for skilled workers. These efforts are essential to maintaining the efficiency and productivity of the industry as it continues to grow. The future of date farming looks promising. With continuous advancements in agricultural technologies and practices, research is being conducted to develop new varieties of dates that are more resistant to diseases and pests, and that can thrive in a wider range of climate conditions. These new varieties are expected to have higher yields, which will help meet the growing global demand for dates. The ongoing development of date farming will ensure that the industry remains sustainable and profitable for generations to come. Date farming is an extraordinary journey that blends ancient traditions with modern technology. From growing young palm trees to harvesting sweet fruits with mechanical shakers, every step of this process reflects the dedication and innovation of farmers. As the global date market continues to grow, the industry is poised to meet future challenges with sustainable and efficient solutions. We hope you've enjoyed this fascinating journey into the world of date farming. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth documentaries on modern agriculture.